sleep and lose weight. Drink this before going to bed and melt the fat of the day like crazy. The human body is a surprising machine. This is prepared to burn fat and calories while we sleep. But to get the best results, it is necessary to make certain adjustments in our digestive and metabolic systems. With this vigorous shake you can achieve it easily and without any effort. With this drink you will lose weight while you sleep. This will help you to speed up your metabolism and eliminate toxins and waste from the blood and the whole body. Here's how to prepare it for yourself. Liquefy to lose weight while you sleep. The blend of all the ingredients that this Liquefy has will help you lose weight while you sleep. In addition, it will act as a natural stimulant to make our body burn calories and fat when we rest. To achieve its effects, you must replace your dinner with this liquefied every night. You will begin to feel the changes immediately. What do we need? Parsley, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, honey or grated ginger, cinnamon 1 tablespoon/twig depending on whether it is powdered or solid, water ½ liter. Preparation and use: 1. All we have to do is take all the ingredients and put them in a blender. These we will liquefy until obtaining a totally homogeneous substance. 2. This vigorous drink you must consume it every night instead of your dinner. This will burn fat and calories while you sleep, getting the desired figure in a short time. All the properties of this powerful slimming drink will help you improve your metabolism. In addition, it will help you to detoxify your body, achieving a better performance of it. The properties of all the ingredients used are beyond doubt. Not only are they good for weight loss, they are also good for fighting diabetes, heartburn, gout, joint pains, and so on.